This is what this case is about. You are in the novelty business.
Yes, I own a handcrafted store.
Mr. Johnson is a travel agent.
Yes.
Miss Robinson booked a cruise through you.
Yes.
And the cruise was supposed to take place when?
March 2nd of this year. Is not taking place yet.
And the total cost of the cruise was how much?
Was $942.62.
And Miss Robinson booked that cruise on what date?
July 6th.
And she canceled the cruise on what date?
That would be November the 19th. I got the letter or the email from the cruise line requesting her to cancel. It was that evening. I canceled it on the 20th.
Have a contract indicating what the cancellation policy is, or do you?
I have what Royal Caribbean has given me.
Okay.
Yes.
And there are certain penalties once you book a cruise within a certain period of time of the cruise.
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. And do you know that as of November 20th, what the cancellation policy was for your cruise that was supposed to take place on March 2nd?
I have it right here. May I look at
And
it?
what does it say?
Okay. By December 19th, I would get 100% of my money back.
Okay. May I see that?
Absolutely. And also it states that if you look...
I just want to see.
It also has
Right.
the total cruise, which is the
Just a
invalid
second.
amount.
I just want to see where it says if you, okay, 0 to 30 days prior to sailing, its cancellation amount is 100%. It would say no charge prior to final payment due, which is December 19th. Okay. So she paid you and you paid the company.
She paid me a total of $200 that she paid me personally. The rest of it, we run her credit card through the cruise line itself.
How much was paid in total?
That would be all except for, that would be $642.62.
That's all you paid for the cruise?
It's on that document. It's $702.88 that I paid. I had a balance of $300. It's on that document that you have right there. The total amount in cruise was $1,002.88. I think you have the document in front of you.
Okay. Said it was $942. Cruise fare is $802. Taxes, fees are $200, so it's $1,000. The amount paid was $702.88.
Yes.
Is that what you paid?
That is exactly what I paid
In total?
in total.
How much did you get back?
I got back $302.88 from Royal Caribbean.
Okay. So that's $400 that you didn't get back.
Yes.
Okay.
So Miss Robinson canceled the cruise.
Just a second.
Yep.
Do you have a different contract with her?
We do not have a separate contract. We
Then you
operate.
owe her $400 if you kept her $400.
We do not keep $400, Your Honor.
How
I do
much
not
did you-
owe her. I do not owe her any money.
Oh, you do owe her money.
She was refunded.
Oh, you do owe her money, sir, because you kept some of her money. So you do owe her money. I mean, you say you kept $200 that she gave you, and then her credit card was used for Royal Caribbean.
I understand that, Honor, but we also get paid for our services separate from Royal Caribbean's policies.
I just want you to
refunds.
show me a contract with her.
We don't have a contract. per se.
$400 is what you owe her. Now I'm going to take care of your counterclaim.
Can I show you this, though, Your Honor?
Not unless you have a contract. That's all I want to see.
This is the payments for Royal Caribbean, $400 that she says that I owe her is not correct. This is the amount that was refunded to our company account.
I don't care what was refunded to your company account, and I don't care who deals with it. If you have a travel agency and you...
I understand that, but she did not pay us $400 is what I'm trying to say, Your Honor. I have the amount right here that she paid us that shows the cards that they were issued on. This is Royal Caribbean's copy of the cruise, of the payments. This is Royal Caribbean's copy of the payments that were paid.
Would you give that to him, please?
I have the same one. I have the same one, but she did not pay us $400, Your Honor. I have the copy of it.
कोई दूसरे मेरे दिल से कैसे आ जाए मैं তুমি আমার कोई दूसरे मेरे दिल से कैसे आ चहलतियों में मिटा हूँ तेरो गाना सुना तो चली गए तो चली गए